guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you a summer pack that will going to be help you in acne, pimples, oily skin, excessive oily skin, and with dry skin too. Okay, so I mean to say problematic skin, so many face problem and one solution, that is all. Okay, so this pack is going to be really affordable, 100% effective, and this video is going to be requested one. Okay, so let's begin with the concept without any further talk show. So let's begin.
Here I am taking Ataric sandalwood powder and Ataric multani mitti, and next is rose water. So I am going to mix sandalwood powder and multani mitti, that is Fuller's Earth, in 1:1 ratio. Next I am adding rose water to make a smooth pack and going to apply this on my clean face after my face wash. Next I am going to leave it on my skin for at least 30 to 45 minutes or until it gets dry, and then I will wash this off. You have to repeat this thrice a week for best result. Now, how this would help you: this would remove acne, pimples, dry skin, pigmentation, blemishes, and all skin problem that used to be happen in summer season due to heat, pollution, and sweating. And this pack is suitable for all 4 skin types people, like for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin combination. For best result and to cure all the skin problems, repeat this daily. If you don't have any problem and you are using it just to give cooling effect to your skin, then thrice a week.
Guys, by the time it's getting dry, let's read out the recommended packs that are given below this sandalwood powder pack. Rose water to remove dark circle, lemon to remove tan and blemishes. That means you have to mix the sandalwood powder with the given ingredient to remove the specific problem. Sandalwood powder with milk for brightness, with honey, nourishment and skin upliftment, with orange peel to remove excess oil, with apple to reduce darkness. Okay, now let's go through the multani mitti pack. Okay, so here it is given: multani mitti powder with orange peel and rose water to remove acne and blemishes, potato juice and lemon juice treat dark circles, with orange peel and sandalwood powder skin exfoliation, with curd, lemon juice and egg for shiny and healthy hair. Okay, mix multani mitti with suitable ingredient and make a smooth paste. Apply on your face and hair and let it dry. Rinse off thoroughly with cold water. Okay. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you do find it, then don't forget to come back to my channel. And yes, I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.